what is the single most significant, measurable outcome the Paris Agreement has achieved, and how has it fundamentally changed global climate action?
So this year we are celebrating a decade of the Paris Agreement, and for many, one of the key achievements has been bending the emissions trajectory. What we see, there are many estimates. Some say that as compared to the 2014-15 baseline of 3.7 degrees Celsius, now the world is warming about 2.6 degrees centigrade, which is not, of course, still near to the Paris goals, but nonetheless, it's slightly bent the curve downwards. The most important aspect that Paris Agreement and in recent climate discussions in recent times has achieved is the sustaining of the momentum by businesses, by federal actors and civil society on climate action.
Why aren't we hitting the target? Is the problem a lack of money, a lack of stronger national plans, or a lack of will to stop using fossil fuels?
Paris Agreement led to universal adoption of country-led or bottom-up climate actions, which replaced the Kyoto Protocol, which was top-down. It was very important that some of the major polluters and the annex countries and the developed countries should, in due course, have been given a top-down binding commitment. So that to me is one of the key reasons. The other reason I feel is the inadequate means of implementation when it comes to finance and technology transfer.
Looking ahead to the next wave of NDCs and the 2030 targets, what one concrete mechanism or change is most crucial for getting the world back on track to meet the limit?
If we look at the next round of NDCs or even the next round of commitments and global discussions, including the global stocktake, and since we are also due to discuss the global goal on adaptation this year in Belém at COP30, a stronger focus on adaptation would be crucial. Also, reinstating CBDR-RC, the Common but Differentiated Responsibility and Respective Capability principle, is going to be important, and how to operationalize it as a graduation tool is going to be very key. So, two things: adaptation is important along with equity, and the second thing, the continued focus of means of implementation is going to be extremely crucial, whether it's the next round of NDCs or next round of climate discussions to upscale this issue.